Snapping Songbird, and today I am here to do a share. C.C.Designs is one of my favorite stamp companies. It actually stands for Cleverly Cute Stamps and Dies. And they came out with a release that is in honor of Netflix show Wednesday. And there are 4 sets. One is called The Girl. And that one has Wednesday on it. And you can tell I've already used it. So here's Wednesday doing her very famous dance. Here she is snapping her fingers, playing the cello, and then just walking away. And there's some really cute sentiments. Dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands. Snap, snap. And this is my happy face. So love, love, love the show and love, love, love these stamps. So also in the set is the family. So here's Dad Gomez, Mom Morticia, her brother, yikes, I forgot his name. Can't believe I forgot her brother's name. Anyway, that's the brother, and this is Uncle Fester. Aren't they cute? And they look just like the characters from the show, especially Gomez. Okay, the next one is called The BFF. And this one has Wednesday and Enid. And spoiler alert, Enid is her roommate who also has a very important role in the show, especially towards the end. So spoiler alert. The sentiments are for my bestie, BFF. Let me give you a hand. In a world full of Mondays, be a Wednesday. Love that one. I'm not in a bad mood. This is just me. That kind of reminds me of myself. You have your own path to blaze, and hello, my little black cloud. And I don't know if you can see, but Thing is standing right next to Wednesday. Okay, and you can tell I used that one already. So the next one is called The Friends. So here are her 4 friends, and I'm sorry, I do not remember their names from the TV show, but she's a mermaid. This character, I believe, is a mermaid too. This is like her, I guess, surrogate brother. She really takes him under her wing or looks out for him. And he's into bees and beehives. And then this is the boy that's not part of the school. I also don't remember his name. I'm horrible at remembering character names. But he works at a coffee shop on the show. Friends till the end, and friends make everything better are the sentiments. I love, 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 love these stamps. I love this company in general. They have just great images and nice and big enough for you to color. Make them centerpieces in your cards. So I did color a few of them. So I will show you. Actually, let me not use that because then you'll still see the glare. All right, let's do this instead. I don't know if that's any better. Here we go. There's Morticia, and there weren't any dies. I don't know if they're going to come out with dies, but there weren't any dies when I purchased the sets. So there's Morticia. She was a little hard to color because her hair is black and her clothing is also black. And then here is Gomez, the dad. Love the way that came out. Isn't that cute? Here's the brother. Looks really cute too. And they all wear shades of black. Here is Wednesday. She is the main character. Love her. And, oh, I didn't show you Thing. There's Thing. And then here's my favorite. This was my favorite one to color. This is Uncle Fester. I really, really love, love, love the way this came out. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure you can see it. Isn't that cute? Love it. So these are the only characters that I've already colored. And I'm going to make cards with these, but I wanted to show you. I'm a little late to the game, but if you have not ordered these stamps from C.C.Designs, I encourage you to, especially if you're a fan of the show. The stamp sets are about $16 for a set, which I think is really not that bad because if you think about it, you're only paying $4 per image, and then you get all of the the little sentiments as well. So the only set that doesn't have any sentiments is the family one with all of the family. But I think that you can combine these with the set called The Girl. So if you're not interested in Wednesday, but you may be interested in C.C.Designs, you should check out their website. I'll link it down below because they are a wonderful, wonderful company with great, great, great images. Nice and big for you to practice your coloring. I think these are great. All right, that's it for now. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.